Hello, Jai Hind guys, and welcome back to the channel AK's Diecast. In this video, I am going to unbox the HW Remote Adventures from the Hot Wheels 5 pack. So let's see which are those cars. Okay guys, so our cars are being unboxed and let's place these one by one. So yes, I will put this in the middle because this is a smaller one. So yeah, here it goes. Okay guys, so we have unboxed our 5 cars and let's check those one by one. So yes, first of all this, which is it? What's its name? It's a fantasy car named Dun Assur. Okay, means this is totally based on a desert track like the desert mountains and all. Look at those amazing wheels. Nice grip, nice trim and nice body line. Look at this. Did you hear that, just how smooth this one is on a smooth surface? Okay, here are some details, nicely done. This is the rear. Look at those mud guard. Yes, this is the full mud guard. And yes, the front grille, the front bumper. This is the light setup, not detailed. And yes, hope some guys will like this. I especially like the color, means caramel on the blue, and some graphics also. Look at those graphics. Okay, so nice. But this is a fantasy car and let's move on to the first that I am excited. So this is my first Toyota Tacoma and look at these details, just wow. Look at this headlight, the Toyota naming and the grille details, impressively done. This is just so satisfying guys, that look at this color, the grayish color. Okay, very nice. These golden trims on the wheel, wow, just so contrast color. Nice wheel arch, nice fog lamp detail. Look here. Yes, did you see this, the fog light detail? Very nice. It has a sunroof also. The trunk is also there. And let's check the rear details. Okay, so the Tacoma 4x4, the handle for opening the trunk and the light details are added. And also let's check the base. Just here the naming, Toyota Tacoma. And how does it rolls now? Let's see. Oh, what a rumbling sound. And yes, nice tires. Look at those. Wow, comment me guys that if you have this 5 pack or did you spot this one. This is a rare one, so I just got it for myself. And here the video for you guys. Let's move on to the next car, which is this, the Toyota Tundra. And yes, I have another Toyota Tundra also. This, the Olympics Hot Wheels era Toyota Tundra. Yes, the link is available in the description that if you want to see unboxing of this car. So yes, it's there for you and let's reveal this thing now. First of all, look at this military green color, the olive green color. Just wow, look at this, the stance of this car. This is as high as possible, and the nice red color rims. So this thing is just a wow. Again, the graphics are there. This is a mountain and overload orange. Nice. This is a really nice casting. No back details, no rear details. Okay, it is considered. Again, here we have a pickup. Again, the pickup trunk, nice one. Here the sunroof is there, the rally lights are there. Look, the rally lights. The front details are absolutely zero, but it is exception. And so moving on to the other car, which is the Dodge Ram Rebel. I do have a blue color Ram Rebel 1500 by the type factory fresh, and I don't want to unbox this one really, but now I do have this. So it's a same car but just a different. Look at this. This is not the same. This is different. Look at this trims. Okay, the black accent here is absent in this one. So yes, there is a difference. Okay, so we have a different car now. Nice. So here are the details. Let's see. So Ram, look at this grille detail. Again, look at this, the headlights, just nice. And this, the sandy color or the cream color wheels, it's just so nice that this car looks totally washed in the mud. Also here the graphics are added just like that. This golden color represents, yes, there is a mud on the car. And nice idea, nice theme. Again, the Ram details is there, and look at this here, the Rebel naming is also there. Nice, very nice. So here the trunk is there, a small one as compared to Toyota and Tundra. And here the no details are there, but just the Ram is written on the trunk as embossed. So yes, this is also a nice car, a nice pickup truck. How aggressive this one looks now. Okay, wow, this car is just so nice. And guys, the last but not the least, our car, which is my personal favorite from this set, the Ford Bronco. And look at this. Yes, the matte golden color, amazingly done, amazingly detailed. This, the roof is of the plastic. Again, here a spare tire is there. And how massive wheels this car have. And this is the custom Ford Bronco. Okay guys, and this is from the 2007. Yes, look at this, 2007 written there. Wow. Let's compare the height. So these both are normal to each other, similar to each other, same tire size also. And move on for this car now. So this is an open roof one. And should we, no, if you can remove this, no guys, you can't remove this. So it's a plastic hard top on the metal body, the plastic fenders. And yes, that's it for this car. Let's do a roll test for this one. Okay, this is a smooth one. Nice. So here, these are the rally lights. Comment me guys, did you like this contrast effect, the green and the golden, and these decals here? It's kind of sun and the mountain, and white stripes maybe represent the highway, I guess so. And here the front details are added like the front skid plate, the front bumper, here the rally light setup, here is the front headlight setup, again the grille is there. And yes, that's all for this car and for this video guys. Hope If you have liked this video, then please guys do like, share, subscribe, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye. Jai Hind.